Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, we're going freebie crazy, right? But listen, we do got some paid watch faces coming up that I know you're going to love. So just stay tuned for that. But now let's go ahead. Let's talk about these couple of watch faces that I got in the lineup for you that I know you're going to love. Casual all day long. Now, this one is called Simply Flat 2. It's nice, big, bold, legible. In the AOD mode, you will get your digital time with no problem. But check it out. When the watch face is on, you got a simple digital time and it gives you your step status info, which most people love to have on the watch face. Very simple design, black background. It's going to help save on your battery life. I'm thinking, people, this is a good look, but that's just me. What do you think? Now, what we do have is a stacked digital time. This does, Jonathan, comes in 12 and 24 hours for those of you all who enjoy 24-hour watch faces, those of you all who like to have your step status info. This is going to be for you. Now, it is inactive, considering that this is a free watch face. You can go into your settings. You also can go into your step status info, not bad at all, right? And your heart rate. So I thought it was definitely a good look for a watch face for what it offered, especially people considering that the watch face is free in the Gear Manager store. With that being said, let's check out watch face number 2 is called OS Black Green Light. I like this one. This one is definitely a good look to be on your wrist for the weekend. Now, you're going to get away with being able to dress up with this watch face as well. Now, the black background does offer battery efficiency. I love the look. Basic, but yet it packs a nice punch. A weekend watch face worthy to be on your wrist, right? Now, just so you know, this does come in different colors. You'll be able to get this in red, a blue, and a yellow. So if you don't like this color, yes, you can check those out. And those are also free for the taking as well. All right, with that being said, in AOD mode, you will get a nice look. So far, the analog time for this watch face, basic, simple, kind of like when the watch face is on. Now, I do like to look at this. I do like to look at the index. You get a traditional time. You also get the day of the week. Your seconds is going to be right over here. But you can customize the theme just to taste, right? So if I double tap, I can take away the light up under the numbers. If I double tap again, I can change it to a basic look, which I like a lot better so far as going out. And if I tap it again, I can bring it right back. So I thought this was a good look, people. But again, remember, at the end of the day, it is all about you. What did you think? All right, you all, listen, I hope you all have the greatest weekend ever. This is my last weekend being off, right? So I'm going to enjoy it while I can. And yes, the All-Star game comes on this weekend. So listen, people, enjoy, enjoy, and enjoy. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.